Okay, now we'll just delete the ringtone. Okay, so before delete the ringtone, let's give the message here. So here we just loop the ringtone in index.play.php. So if there is no ringtone, we have to display the message that there is no any ringtone. So here I'll write count and dollar arrange the ring TONES tones dollar ringtones greater than 0. If got dollar ringtones greater than 0 means then we'll loop this, and if we don't have, then we have to give the message here. So here I'll write td, and here no arrange the ringtones to display display, and finally here we'll write so if that, and here the else condition, and here will be in if. So if there is ringtone, we'll loop this all. If there is no else, we'll display this message and we'll in our if statement here. So now let's make a delete button here, one more, and we have the edit and we have delete here. So I'll write delete delete, and then here I'll make another td, and here I'll make the form. So form action and method post, we need to provide the cross-site request forgery, and then close this, and here will be the here will be the action. The action will be the route, route. So it's ring ring tones stones dot dstry destroy. In resourceful routing, it's ringtone dot destroy the route name, and here is the ringtone tone ringtone, and we'll do this so we have the ringtone here, and we have to provide here ringtone ID. So ringtone ID, and finally here we have submit button. So here is the button, and I'll write delete, and I'll give the class, give a type sub mid submit, and give the class button danger. Okay, and now here I want to write on submit method. So on submit, I want to give a little bit confirmation message to alert the admin whether you want to delete or not. So here I'll write on sub mid submit. So on submit equals to return return confirm confirmation, and here I'll write do you want to delete, so that I'll get a confirmation here. So let's see it, and here the if I click, then I'll get this do you want to delete, and if I click OK, then it's to delete record, and if I click cancel, then I should remain the same page. So now we have the ringtones dot destroy, so you have to go in here and we have to work in the destroy method here. So here first we'll find the ringtone, ring the ringtone, and it's a ringtone destroy, it's ringtone find $id, and I'll find the ring file name for the ringtone. So file name equals to the ringtone is the ringtone, and it's the file. Now I want to delete this ringtone, so I have to write a ringtone and then delete method. Okay, so once this has been deleted from the database, I have to delete from the storage as well. So I'll write on link for that, and here I'll write copy this, and then here I'll write this on link public path audio, and this is the ringtone file, which is this one. I'll delete this one. Okay, and then I'll delete this one, or you can write file name as well, or let's do it like this, and then we'll return user to the index page giving this message. So we'll write return redirect back ringtone deleted deleted successfully. Okay, now let's try this. So before we try, we also need to specify the method underscore field here. So Here we'll specify the delete method, met as a method, underscore file field. Here is in delete, delete, delete. So method underscore field, file field. So now let's try this. And if I click delete, okay, and you can see the ringtone is deleted and no ringtone to display, and it's not here, and it should be not in the public directory, and you can see nothing is here. So great. So we finished all the stuffs about the ringtone. Okay, so I'll see you now in the next video.